Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Venmo has simplified the way we exchange money. Whether splitting a restaurant bill, paying rent, or sending a gift to a friend, Venmo offers a user-friendly platform accessible on your mobile device. The app allows for quick and easy transactions, often eliminating the need for awkward cash exchanges or checks. Beyond its core functionality, Venmo also incorporates a social element, allowing users to add notes and emojis to their transactions, making sending and receiving money a more engaging experience. You can even use emojis to represent the transaction, like a pizza slice for splitting a pizza bill or a gift box for a birthday present. This social layer adds a fun and personalized touch to an otherwise mundane financial task. Security is also a key feature, with Venmo employing encryption to protect your financial information. While Venmo is undeniably convenient, it's important to be mindful of potential privacy implications, as transactions can be visible to your contacts depending on your chosen settings. You can adjust these privacy settings to control who sees your activity. Overall, Venmo provides a seamless and engaging platform for managing everyday transactions, adding a social dimension to personal finance. Consider downloading Venmo today to experience the convenience and fun it brings to managing your money. You'll find it especially useful for splitting costs with friends, paying for shared expenses, or just quickly sending money to family members. With its straightforward interface and social features, Venmo has revolutionized how we handle personal finances in the digital age. It offers a fast, secure, and enjoyable way to manage money on the go, fitting seamlessly into our increasingly mobile-centric lives.